Hi friends, my name is Maya. I am a founder of Kiwi Spa and also esthetician with over 23 years of experience. Welcome to Kiwi Spa. Introducing Kiwi VR Lounge. This is the perfect venue for celebration of birthday, anniversaries, bachelorette party, perfect girls weekend or any other celebration, you name it.
I think everybody should come here and absolutely experience what I do today. Actually, this would be like almost a daily thing. This should be everybody's happy hour.
Wow, I love my result. That looks so good.
Are you ready?
Yes. Oh, so sweet, babe. Thank you.
And under the eyes, it's left. Nice, thank you so much.
Sarah, congratulations!
Wow. What a difference. Absolutely glowing.
Well, I love coming to Kiwi Spa, but this is the first time that I ever brought my husband, and it was just a really, comfortable, warm, loving vibe, and with the music and the lights, and I just really enjoyed our time. And how'd you like it?
Yeah, I really like it. It was something fun that we could do together. Also something that's healthy and, improving ourselves. So it was a wonderful time. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
That's unbelievable, Maja. Whoa! This is unbelievable. Unbelievable experience.
Wow, it looks so clean. So glowy now. Feels so much lighter.
I'm glowing. I'm flawless. I'm so happy. Thank you, Kiwi Spa.
Felt very relaxing, surreal. It was amazing.
Is it your first time in your life you tried VR?
It is, yeah. Whole different world.
Monica, what do you think?
It's unbelievable. It's pretty amazing. It really is.
Georgia, do you have any new adventure?
Oh man, yes. Tripping for the first time in her life.
So, how was your experience with our massage chairs?
It was so relaxing. I felt like I immediately was able to drop in and relax after a long day, and it really worked. I feel like it's the best massage chair I've ever tried.
What do you think about combination of this amazing massage chair with VR?
That is also amazing, to be able to be relaxed, but also to go to different places, to be in different environments, just like a virtual escape. The combination of the two is a really unique and healing experience.